In the temple of listening, a whisper begins. We bow to Saraswati, to wisdom that guides. She is Shakti made patient, light in a quiet corner. The world asks for answers, and the questions glow. We hear a veena tremble in the dusk. Tanpura drones thread gold through the air. Saraswati speaks through compassion and method. Her wisdom is a map for careful steps. Not conquest, but clarity. She teaches through study, through silence, through speech. The student listens with a soft, willing ear. We sit beside a lamp of learning. Conch and Ganta mark the moment when doubt yields. We inquire, what knowledge makes a life kinder? What song becomes service when the mind is clear? The goddess arrives as a dialogue with the self. She does not shout, she unfolds. Vidya is not possession, it is a river. The tablet of memory opens and a script appears. Words rise like a lamp, not a parade. Saraswati guides the student toward disciplined wonder. The classroom is a courtyard of thoughts. The ink is Sanskrit, the breath is patience. We learn to write with intention, to think with care. Wisdom migrates through breath and balance. Yet the path is not solitary. We hear melodies from the river within. A bansuri sighs, a santur weeps, a veena hums. The feminine power does not erase difference, it harmonizes. Shakti as Saraswati asks us to study the world, to catalog suffering, to translate pain into practice. Learning becomes devotion when help arrives as insight. Her guidance is practical, yet boundless. Solve a problem, protect a child, mend a thread. The intellect becomes blessing when used with compassion. The temple within grows brighter with every careful question. This is not dogma, but a living inquiry. We are asked to balance study with service, to keep humility as a steady flame, to let doubt cohabit with discipline. If Saraswati speaks through us, what changes? We unzip the mind and listen without indexing results. The answer is a practice, not a verdict. A candle, not a canon, shapes our choices. The cosmos becomes legible when we learn without ego. What we hear becomes what we do. The feminine wisdom of Saraswati reminds us to begin again, to revise, to relearn, to re-speak with care. In the shadow, inquiry grows a deeper heat. Doubt asks for evidence, curiosity asks for honesty. If knowledge is a boat, discipline is the anchor. If insight is light, practice is the shoreline. We walk the shore beside Saraswati's quiet flame. Wisdom guides the common work of daily life. A student writes with purpose, a teacher listens. The library of the heart expands. And when we forget, a bell calls us back. We return to breathe, to focus, to kindness. This is the gift of Saraswati, guidance that cares. Not distant revelation, but a compass you feel within. Let the feminine light illuminate routine, duty, and dream. Let study become service. Let service become prayer.